Alright, Lego fanatics, we're back. And we're gonna put some things together here. So we have to put these together the right way. This is gonna go here. This is gonna go here, like that. This is gonna go like that. Split this. No, it's right. I'm on the wrong instructions there almost. Okay, and then I need 4 of these, like this. Okay. Put 3 of these like this. Okay. So those cheese slips can go there, and then I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this one right on top of it, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it like this. Take this piece and I'm going to put it like that. No. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like this. And this is supposed to be like this. And it's supposed to be like that. And then I have 7 of these cheese slopes, which will face this way, like this. Where does this go? Oh, I see what they did. Oh, that's clever. Okay. So I need this here like this, right? I need this piece like right here. And this is going to go here. And this is going to go here. Just like that. Okay, cool. Alright, and then this one is going to be like this. And this one's going to be like that. We're just going to keep building these. That's going to be like that. That one's going to be like that. And this one's going to be a pain. There we go. Okay, and then the last one's going to go right like that. Okay. I'm going to put this down because now, oh, nope, that's not right. This is going to go right here like that. This will go back on there like that. So it'll look like this. Now I'm going to build the other one on the other side because there's another one that's going to go on the other side. It's going to be like this. Like this. Okay. This is going to go like that. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 of these, and then I'm going to put this one up like this. Okay, like that. Okay, put this down. Now we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to take this. I'm going to put this one stud right there. And we're going to go like this. I'm going to take this and go like this. This one's going to go just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one, but we're going to go the other way. Okay, so that's like that. I try to straighten them out to where they've got kind of a flush, flat surface on the back end. Also makes them fit a little better if you do it that way. Oop! Yeah, you know what? Stay off for a minute. This is one. I'm gonna put this back on here because this is gonna go like this, and my fingers are not working today. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do the same thing. See? Put it right there. Bingo. Just like that. So now we have two of these. Let's find out where these go. Okay, so this one. Nope, it's gonna be like this. So this one is gonna go where? Right, like this. Okay, this thing's being a pain. I'm gonna do the other side first because I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but I want to make sure I'm doing this right. There we go, like that. There we go, like that. Yes. Yes, like that. And this is going to go right here, like this. Okay. And this one is going to go right here. Okay. So this is going to be easier to take apart. So go there or here. Like that. And then this is going to go got to push this back a little bit. Okay. Come on, get in there. There you go, just like that. And that's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna look at this again because I'm doing something that's not right here, I don't think. Okay, let me take a look at this because there's probably some things I gotta fix, but I think I've got this right. And like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.